Namaste, good morning from Hanoi in Vietnam. I'm visiting a temple which is mainly famous, a national heritage site of Vietnam. Ha Coin Temple and the lake. It's a holy lake. Very torrential rain here. Before I begin this journey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shiva Yoga World and Travel. I am in Vietnam, Hanoi. After the breakfast at my hotel, I decided to go for a walk. But it's a very rain. You can see the city, people start to go walk at 7 o'clock in the morning. Look at that, rain is very strong. As you already know, I love all the weather, rain, winter, snow, sun, spring, autumn. So I enjoying this journey and videoing also. So I just going very close entrance to this temple. Look at that. It's a beautiful. One of the national heritage sites of Vietnam. That's the way I come from. That's the main entrance. You can see the building there. People for distance. People go for work in the road. Very busy road now. Start getting busy. I am in my hand. I have umbrella. My hand phone. So I cannot zoom it. Sorry about that. So this is the entrance. So I had to go from here to left. Turn left. That's the entrance. Left, and I going toward the temple. The security persons there. I quite enjoying walking in the rain. I used to walk in the rain in Lake District, Dasmere. It reminds me the same. That's amazing. Look at that roof. It looks very old, very nice. There's a pagoda there. Vietnamese temple, pagoda. And you can see the lake there. And the main temple, this is the temple. I will try zoom it a little bit. Yeah. Just praying the whole world become happy and prosperous, healthy. There's no problem among people and the whole world. Everybody will be happy. No poverty, no war. I'm just praying for that. Yoga samasta sugino bhavantu. Look at that. It's amazing. Vietnam is a Buddhist country and also it's a communist country. They follow a lot of communist philosophies, but a little bit modernized communism. Not like a strict communism, because they are very liberal. So they change. They look after people's well-being, welfare, everything. I wish I could do a yoga here, but it's very rain here, isn't it? Maybe I am going to do some yoga today around 8:45. My tour guide and my driver will come and pick up into countryside in Vietnam. I'm looking forward to that. There are a lot of paddy fields there, rice fields. I just walking around the temple. This side of the temple. Beverage serving point. I don't know what it means. Maybe some religious rituals. Beverage. There's a lake you can see there. The lake is there. Hello. Hi. I didn't go inside, but very nice leaves, some plants. Looks like a flowers. I think it's the leaves, the plants. And after some point, this leaf change into green. And I remember this plant. We have that lot of in India. And I have seen some of the parks and gardens in UK also. The back side of the temple. Lake is there. The temple is famous for turtle. There's a turtle's temple. There's a skeleton of a turtle temple. They kept it. They regarded as a holy for the well-being for the people and the world and the nation. Some nice jasmine flower here. Wow. You can see from that distance, you can see the Hanoi city. There's a coffee center. There's a pagoda, entrance pagoda here. And this is the side of the right side of the temple. I can use this sound of rain as a music. I'm just leaving from the temple. I didn't go inside because it's very wet and I'm videoing. So it's not good to video inside the temple, you know, because we need to respect. It's some sort of, I think like a lotus, maybe. I don't know. Hello. And now what I'm doing, I'm just getting out from the temple. I paid a 30,000 Vietnamese currency to enter the temple. Now I'm going back. You can see far in the middle of the temple there's a building there, a heritage site. I think the skeleton of the crocodile is kept it there. And they may do some sort of ritual there. I'm quite happy. I like rain. I love rain. As everybody knows, because there's no point to unhappy if the rain comes. We need to be embraced because it's the natural phenomenon of the nature, isn't it? Because we are the part of the nature. Nice flowers here. Nice big trees. There's another flowers here. Like that. Security guard is there. He's hello. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. And I just get out from the temple, and that's the entrance, main entrance. Now what I'm going to do, I'm walking toward the lake. Just come out from the lake, from the temple, and then I'm going to walk to the temple, to the lake side. One nice bamboo tree. Look at that, very huge, isn't it? Nice paintings, fish, heroine. Oh no, it's a flamingo. It's a flamingo bird. There's another monument here. The temple, tiger, dragon. Hi, thank you very much. Cheers, thank you, bye, cheers. Now I just come out from the temple, turn right, walking toward the lakeside. Just going for a short walk because my driver and the gate come at 8:45, 9 o'clock. So I had to be there at my hotel. The hotel is excellent, you know, one of the very luxurious hotel. Very nice. Nice food, nice breakfast today. A small park surrounded by the by this lake. Yesterday I had a cycle trip. It was nice. I went through this road, you know that road. I took some videos. I'm very glad the hotel people give me this umbrella. Look at that bridge. That's a bridge going to that temple. You know, I'm videoing this from the lake side, outside the temple. As you know, Vietnam is a Buddhist country and also a communist country. People seems like so far very nice. He's very happy, and I quite like that. Today is my day 2 in Vietnam. So far, so good. I think I had to finish my video because it's wet.